Hello and welcome to this video on creating an invoice from a completed job. So the first thing you need to do is go to the jobs module, select your job. In this case, I'm going for a completed job. Go to activity on the job sheet, click where you got sales invoice credits, and then select new invoice. You can see here you have a few options. You can do a blank invoice, so you put all the details in again. You have the second option, which is total for labour, materials and miscellaneous. So 3 line items for labour, materials and miscellaneous. Selected items, so you can select the items from the job sheet that you want to be invoiced. All items, and then you've got all items and also grouping the travel as a item as well. And then you can also create an invoice as a single item with selected items or all items. So essentially you would just have one line on the invoice. In this case, I'm going to go for all items. There we go. You've created an invoice from a job sheet. Thanks for listening.